Again, good. We had you had a pretty good mix between industry, large companies, small companies, a diversity of functionalities within those. You have CEOs like myself, and then you had some investors as well, which I think are helpful. I think it's always helpful to when we're doing the round tables in particular, and then the panel, to have not just an industry perspective, but to actually have an outside perspective, like someone from an investor who how do they think about what we do and what's important to them. And at the end of the day, whether it's a small company or a large company, you've got to report to somebody. There's somebody who wants to who wants an outcome.
Very diverse as far as company needs, from small businesses to the large pharma companies. Specifically for where we are, for Clario, we have multiple needs that range from cardiac safety, imaging, medical imaging, to ECOA. So we have a lot of companies that have various needs. So along those lines, we're able to sort of find a solution that fits where they're at and wherever stage they're at in their development process.
So that was one of the other things that initially kind of seemed too diverse. But then as we got into the discussions, the diversity actually helped to get the different views and ideas about what problems people are having, how they could be connected, how they can be solved. Maybe with a one single solution, you could solve 4 or 5 different problems.
Oh, it's very good. There are like big companies and also mid-sized companies and also startups. Yeah, I learned a lot from just having the participation from everyone, at the table. So you really get a good idea of different size of pharma companies, drug development, and what people are exposed to in terms of technology and their method of drug development.
Yes, so it was very well represented by big pharma, small companies, vendors. So yes, the diversity of the different companies from different areas of clinical trials was quite interesting and something which I did not anticipate.
Yeah, I mean, in that session itself, there were some good connections for us. And then while I was literally sitting waiting for the last panel, I met someone who I had a good connection with.
Oh, it was like very much diverse event where we had met different people from different areas, different race, definitely. And so it was overall a very well diversified panel as well as stakeholders.
Super, the variety of people that we have met from different domains, not just from the domains, from the different sections of the society. It was very diverse. The kind of viewpoints that these guys have built, have brought to the round table was perfect. It was a very good amalgamation of different thought processes, what each organization is doing in terms of clinical supplies, clinical operations. It gives us a good insight into what are the needs of the industry. At the same time, it gives us an opportunity how our solutions can fit into their requirements.